So you know now what is the criteria. Teacher will ask you 5 questions. Okay, my dear. Now your time will start now. Hasibul, what you can see in my hand? Just
3 plus 3 equal.
What is the answer will come first? 3 plus 3?
6.
Very good, very good. Now, what you can see in my hand, my dear? Next number. Next means after number. Just tell me the first one. Which number will come?
49.
Okay, fine. Both are correct. Now, what you can see in my hand? Between number. Tell me the between number first.
59.
Very good. Three questions are correct. Now, what you can see in my hand?
Before number.
Tell me the first one.
9.
Very good. Correct. Now, tell me the number names of 20. Tell me the spelling of 20.
TWENV. 20.
Okay, stop. You can make you mute. Tafsira teacher?
Yes.
Hasibul round is completed, right?
Okay.
I think you get the marks also, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So I asked 5 questions, no?
Yes, 5 questions you asked.
Okay, now after Hasibul, I am going to call now Khadija. Khadija, make you unmute.
Yes, teacher. Tell me.
Okay, Khadija. So now Khadija's turn. Khadija, tell me the number names of 19. First, tell me the spelling of 19.
Okay, teacher. NINTEEN. 19.
What? Again, repeat, my dear, repeat.
Okay, teacher. NINTEEN. 19.
Okay, number 2. One second, teacher. Name is Khadija and ID number is the 3663.
3663. Okay, 3663. Okay, teacher.
Khadija, for you, my second question is, tell me, I will show you something now. Just look at me. What you can see, my dear, in my hand? You can see some picture,
Mango,
right?
and apple.
Can you tell me, this is called the pattern. After this apple, which picture will come here? If I will put the pattern in HKG, you learn the pattern. Mango, then apple. After apple, which picture will come?
Mango.
Yes, very good. After mango, which picture will come?
Apple.
Excellent. So, number 2 is correct. Now for you, I just make something. Khadija, tell me 4 plus 3.
Teacher, yes. What?
4 plus 3. If you add these two numbers, 4 plus 3, which number will come? 4 plus 3. Quickly.
7.
Okay, very good. Now, Khadija, you can see what I am going to show you. Backward counting. Can you tell me the backward counting from 10 to 5? 10 to 5. Backward counting.
15.
No, 10 to 5. Come from the backward.
Okay. 5, 10.
No, start from 10.
Yes,
start
from 10 and you have to come the back. 10, then come like this. What time 5 will come, you have to stop.
Teacher.
Yes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Very good. Okay. Now, Khadija, for you, my last question is, I will show you one paper. You have to tell me the answer. What you can see in my hand, my dear?
Before number.
Next number. After number means next number. Okay. Which number is first? You can see here.
19.
Okay. Tell me the next number after 19. Which number will come?
20.
Excellent. Your turn over. Very good.
Very good.
Teacher, 5 questions completed, no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, after Khadija, I'm going to call Rifat. Teacher, write the Rifat.
Rifat, okay.
Yes, Rifat. Rifat, what is your ID number, my dear?
3458.
3458. Very
Okay.
good, Rifat. Now, Mukta teacher going to ask you questions. Okay.
Sir, I'm Hasibul. I can leave.
Yes, my dear, you can leave.
Just you
Khadija,
completed, you can leave.
yeah, Khadija, if you want to leave, you also can leave, my dear. Okay, if you want to see, no problem. You can stay here also. You can learn so many things. Okay, this is good for you. That is your choice. Okay, now Rifat, what you can see in my hand, my dear Rifat?
Smaller to big.
Greater number. Excellent. Smaller to greater number. My dear, I wrote some numbers here. You just arrange here smaller to greater. Which one small number here? Tell me fast.
7, 9, 10, 11.
Excellent. Correct. 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 Now, Rifat, for you, my second question is, I just want to show you what you can see in my hand, my dear.
Before number.
You just tell me the second one, before number. 26 before, which number will come?
25.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, 25. Now, Rifat, for you, I want to ask you backward number. You have to tell me the 20 to 15. You have to start from 20. You have to come till 15. Start.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15.
Excellent, my dear. Really well done. Well done. Now tell me the number names of 16. Tell me the spelling of 16.
S-I-X-T-E-E-N-T. 16.
Well done. Well done. For you, my last question. I'm going to show you one pattern. You have to give me the ideas. Okay. Just for you, I make the second picture. What you can see in my hand, my dear? I've drawn something. What I draw first? Can you tell me?
Leaf.
After that?
Flower.
Then?
Flower.
Then?
Leaf.
After that,
Leaf.
what will come after leaf? Here, what will come?
Flower.
How many flowers will come?
2.
Excellent. Well done. Fantastic. Tafsira teacher?
Yes, teacher, completed.
Now I'm going to call the Jainab teacher. Jainab ID number is the 3663. Jainab.
Yes, teacher.
Are you ready, Jainab?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, first just let me know for Jainab what I prepared. Okay, Jainab, for you, my first question. Okay, Jainab, tell me, 3 plus 2, which number will come?
5.
Okay, very good, 5. Now tell me the backward number. You can say 15 to...
Name is Zainab or Zainab?
Z-A-I-N-A-B, teacher, Zainab.
Okay. ID number?
ID number, Zainab. Your ID number, can you tell me?
3644.
3644.
Yeah.
Okay, 3644, teacher. Did you wrote?
Yes, teacher, I wrote.
Okay, Jainab, what I asked, first question, I think you gave. Okay, Jainab, again, I am going to ask you because Tafsira teacher didn't give you marks. She is busy, no? So for you, again, my question, first questions, tell me 4 plus 3. Yes.
7.
Very good. First one correct. Tell me what you can see in my hand.
Backward number.
Tell me the first one. Which number will come here?
9.
Okay, correct. 9. So now for you, my third questions. Backward counting. You can tell me 15 to 10. Backward counting. 15 to 10. Count. Jainab, are you hear me?
14, 13, 20, 12, 11.
I said
10, 9, 8.
No, stop. I said 15 to 10. So why you are counting more? Okay, this is your number 4 questions. For you, my last questions is just tell me the spelling of.
Fourth
Yes.
question answer, I didn't hear that one.
Okay, then Jainab, again you have to give the answer. For Jainab, my 4th question is backward counting 15 to 10. Okay, Jainab, one more time.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10.
Teacher, you got?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, fine. So for Jainab, what I ask you the last question, just tell me the spelling of 27. Number names, 27. Fast. Say.
TWEN 20, YT 20, NINE 9, 29.
Okay, 29. Correct. Stop. Make you mute. Tafsira teacher, any confusion? Is clear?
No. Now it's clear, teacher.
Okay. Now after after Jainab, I'm going to call the Nusrat Jahan teacher. Write the Nusrat Jahan.
Okay, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Nusrat, your ID number 3688, right?
Yes, teacher.
3688, Tafsira teacher, okay?
Yes, teacher, I noted.
Okay, Nusrat, for you, my first questions, I will show you some flashcard. You have to give me the answer. Okay. Nusrat, you can see one paper in my hand, right?
Yes, teacher.
And I drawn 2 pictures. What is the first picture, my dear?
Mango.
After that?
Apple.
So after that, you can see the 2 boxes. You have to tell me what will come from the first box and second box. First.
Mango. Apple.
Mango, the last one?
Mango, apple.
Okay, fine. Correct. Mango and apple. Nusrat, for you, my second question is, tell me the spelling of 38.
3 H I R T Y. 36.
No, 38. 8.
E I G H T.
Excellent.
30.
Okay, now Nusrat, what you can see in my hand, my dear Nusrat?
Greater to smaller.
Very good. Greater to smaller. So number 2 you have to solve. Just tell me which one the greater number. Just to arrange. Tell me the numbers.
12. 14.
Okay, you tell me the one by one. 14 then?
14, 12, 11, 10.
Okay, correct. Okay, fine. Nusrat, tell me 7 plus 3. If you add 7 plus 3, what is the answer will come? Quickly. 7 plus 3. Fast.
11.
Okay. So this is wrong. I will not give you the second chance. Okay. Your answer is wrong. No problem. Now for you, I want to show you this one. Second one, you have to tell me 5 plus 5. What will come? 5 plus 5?
10.
Okay, correct. Very good. Well done. Make you mute, my dear. Make you mute. Now, I want to call the Radwan. Radwan, how are you?
Fine.
Now, Radwan, your turn. Radwan, first you tell me the spelling means number names of 3030. Tell me.
3030.
Yes, first, my dear.
3, 2, 1, 0.
No, my dear, number name, spelling. 30 spelling.
THIRTY.
THIRTY. Okay, fine. And next question for you. Tell me 6 plus 2. Addition. 8. Okay, fine. Now tell me, I will show you one number. So you have to tell me the next number. Okay, what you can see in my hand, my dear? Next number. Next number means after number. Tell me the second one. What you can see here? Which number you can see here?
39.
After 39, what will come? Fast, fast, my dear.
40.
Okay, correct. Why you are taking time? Fast. Now tell me the backward counting 10 to 5. Backward counting 10 to 5.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Very good. For you, my last question, I will show you one pattern. Okay, one pattern I am going to show you. Yes, my dear, what you can see in my hand? This is one pattern. Just read the numbers and tell me the next two box, which number will come?
30. 40.
Yes.
40. 50.
Excellent. Well done, Radwan. Well done. Tafsira teacher?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, Radwan also completed the 5 round. From grade 1, any students are here? I think I completed all the students. Just let me check. Nusrat, Jainab, Rifat, Khadija, Hasibul. My dear students, if you from grade 1, any students are here, teacher didn't ask you any question, please let me know.
Mariam.
Mariam, yes, Mariam. Thank you. Thank you. Mariam, yes. Mariam.
Teacher,
What you are asking, Mariam?
yes, teacher, I'm calling.
Okay, okay. Radwan, you want to leave? Radwan, what it was, I didn't understand. Can you repeat your question one more time? I don't understand. Anybody asking something to me? Please repeat your question, my dear. Okay. Now, Baba, your turn will come. Now we are taking the grade 1A. After 1A, 1B, then 1C. Okay, just wait. Okay, dear? Wait. Now, Mariam, your time will start now. Mariam, tell me.
Teacher.
If I will give you two numbers, that is 6 and 4, what answer will come? 6 and 4.
10.
Sorry?
10.
Very good. Very good. 10. Now for you, my second question, just tell me the backward counting 15 to 10. 15 to 10. Count backward. Yes, start, my dear.
14. 30. 20. 11. 10.
Okay. I will not tell you right now anything it is correct or wrong, but for you, my third questions, I'm going to show you one paper. You have to give me the answer, right? So, what you can see in my hand? You can see some numbers and what is the written here? Next number. You tell me the second one. Which number will come here, Mariam?
39.
Sorry?
39.
Very good, 39. This is your third question. Now for you, my fourth question is, what you can see in my hand? What is written here? Greater to smaller number. You can solve the number 2. Tell me the number 2. First, arrange the number greater to smaller.
14, 20, 10, 9.
Okay. Now for you, my last question is, tell me the spelling of 20. Number names of 20.
T, W, R, N, T, U.
Okay, okay, Mariam. Okay, Mariam, make you mute. Make you mute. Now my class actually Tafsira teacher, one student didn't attend. I don't know, maybe some net problem. So you can tell me the 1B student's name. You can call the name, then I can conduct the exam.
Okay, teacher. Abdullah, you please unmute here.
Is Abdullah right? Teacher, you are calling Abdullah?
Abdullah Ayub.
Abdullah Ayub from 1B. Okay, Abdullah, are you ready for exam, my dear?
Yes.
Very good. What is your ID number, my dear? 3677, right?
Yes. Teacher, I live.
Yes, you can leave. Yes, Mariam, you can leave. You can leave. Okay. Abdullah Ayub, for you.
Teacher.
Yes,
I
Nusrat?
can leave.
Yes.
I can leave.
My dear students, now listen to me. Those are already completed the round. You can leave. No need to ask, because in between don't disturb. Okay, my dear, you can leave. And whatever the result will come, you will know. Okay, now you can leave. Those are already attended.
Okay, teacher.
Now, Abdullah, for you, my first question, can you tell me the number names of 18? Tell me the spelling of 18.
Okay. E-I-G-H-T. T-E-E-N.
Very good. Okay, Abdullah, what you can see in my hand? I wrote some one and two questions. And what is the question? Greater to smaller. You tell me the first one answer. Just arrange the first one, greater to smaller.
Okay.
Look at me and tell me the answer.
Okay, teacher. 8, 3, 2, 1.
8, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Correct. Correct. 1 minute. Some students are coming. I just want to admit them. Okay, now for you, my third question is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. What is the answer will come?
8.
Very good. Tell me, just I want to show you one pattern. Okay, dear, you have to tell me the answer. What you can see in my hand? Some pattern I wrote. Just read this pattern and blank place you have to fill. Yes.
Okay, teacher.
Try, my dear.
A-C-E.
Then which letter will come?
A-C-E.
Oh, A-C-E who can see, but 2 boxes there, whatever I didn't write. But you have to follow something, alphabet is missing here. Same way you have to fill the 2 box. Tell me. Which alphabet will come here? Very easy, my dear. A, then after A, B is not here. Then C I wrote. No, like this, you have to skip.
B, D, F.
Okay, fine. No problem. Now for you, my next question is backward counting. Tell me 5 to 1. Backward counting.
Okay.
5 to 1, my dear. Just count, backward counting.
Okay, teacher.
Fast, fast.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good. Now, what you can see in my hand?
Teacher, I think 5 questions is over.
Over? Okay. Okay, teacher, thank you. Abdullah, your round is over. Okay, you can make you mute.
Teacher, call next Arabi.
Arabi, where are you, Arabi?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, Arabi, I will write your name. Then Arabi, your ID number 3702, right?
Yes.
Very good, 3702. Okay, Arabi, for you, my first question. Tell me the spelling of 23 spelling, number names. First question.
T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T
Okay, now I'm going to show you. Yes, this is my backward counting, right? Can you tell me the backward counting 20 to 15? You have to start from 20. Fast, my dear.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15.
Excellent, excellent. For you, my third questions, I'm going to show you one card, okay? What you can see in my hand? I wrote the answer. Listen, my dear, I wrote the answer and I wrote here one digit. One number is missing. You have to tell me which number will come here. Okay, my dear?
2.
2 will come?
2.
2 will come. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Now for you, my next questions, I want to show you one pattern. Yes. This pattern, just look at this pattern. Tell me the next box.
Leaf, flower, leaf, flower, flower, leaf, flower and flower.
Excellent. Excellent. For you, my last questions. I will show you one between number. No between number, before number. Yes, this between before number, you have to give me the answer number 2.
20, 25, 26.
Excellent. Well done, my dear. Your turn over. Very good.
Teacher.
Welcome, welcome. Now, from
Teacher, next you can call Abdullah Ibrahim.
Abdullah Ibrahim. Yes, Abdullah, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm fine, my dear. Abdullah, what is your ID number? 3477, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, for you, I make nice questions. Can you see my flashcard?
Yes.
I wrote you have to tell me the next number. Next means after number. After 48, which number will come here?
47, 40, 48, 49.
Okay, so what is the answer will come after 48? You gave me the 3 numbers, but what is answer will come after 48?
48, 49.
Okay, fine. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you between number. Can you tell me what is the missing number here? Just tell me the between number.
58, 58, 59, 60, 60.
Excellent, excellent. Now for you, I want to ask you the number names of 29. Tell me the spelling of 29.
29, teacher.
Yes.
T-W-E-N-T-Y. 29. N-I-N-E 9. 29.
Excellent, excellent, my dear. Now for you, my last questions, I'm going to show you one pattern. Okay? I will show you one pattern. Yes, my dear, look at this pattern. Here you can see some numbers and you can see 2 empty box. Just tell me in this box which number will come?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Excellent. Excellent.
Teacher, you want to ask one more question?
Yeah, only one more question. Yes. Yes, Ibrahim, you just tell me the backward counting 20 to 15. Tell me the 20 to 15. Count the backward.
Okay. 20, 19, 18, 17,